This next song is called Train Them Up. Looking at two scriptures, Proverbs 22:6 and Ephesians 6:4. Proverbs 22:6 talking about training up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. And train up is talking about hedging up or hedging in. And Ephesians 6:4 it said, fathers, do not provoke your child to anger, but bring them up in the discipline and instructions of the Lord. And then there's many more scriptures in the Bible that deals with training and teaching. Deuteronomy 31:12 and 13, Joshua 8:35, 2 Kings 12:2, and many more scriptures that shows the importance of teaching and training. Again, this next song is called Train Them Up. Training them up in the way they should go. They will not depart, oh no, they will not depart, oh no, they will not depart from His word. Training them up in the way they should go. They will not depart, oh no, they will not depart, oh no, they will not depart from His word. Though they may stray later in life, continue to pray, continue to pray, continue to pray for them. 'Cause they will not depart, oh no, they will not depart, oh no, they will not depart from the faith. So teach them the way they should go, so teach them the way they should go, so teach them the way they should go. They will not depart, oh no, they will not depart, oh no, they will not depart from the faith. Living the word before them, living the word before them, living the word before them each and every day. The word of God be uprooted in the ground, and the word of God be uprooted in the ground, the word of God be uprooted in the ground in their soul. Train them up in the way they should go. They will not depart, oh no, they will not depart, oh no, they will not depart from His word. They will not depart, oh no, they will not depart, oh no, they will not depart from His word. Train them up, training them up, training them up.